Hello everyone, welcome to Mysterious Boy. In this video, we are going to create a perfect one page of resume which will help you to get into your dream university or dream job. If you are interested, let's get into this. But before designing your CV, let's have a look on some important things you need to know before making your CV. So the first question which comes in your mind is how many pages your resume should be included. Well, we need only one page of resume because it's typical and many countries follow this rule to just create one page of resume for every 10 years of experience, and majority of you only will have like 10 or maybe 12 years of experience. But one page is enough. What's really important you to really understand is when people look at your resume, they have only maybe like 20 seconds, and you need to grab that attention and you need to tell them in those 20 seconds the most important things about you. So creating resume is an art. Share only the most important things. I know there are so many things that you need to share, but the art here is to dig out the most important stuff and impress. For this tutorial, I'm using canva.com. Canva is a great platform for graphic design that allows users to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, and other visual content. It is completely free. Create your account today on canva.com. Now we'll go to canva.com. As you can see, we are on the homepage of canva.com. Here you can find out many other templates. Regarding your need, you can choose anything you want, but today we are going to search for resume. As you can see, there are also multiple options available in resume, but simply we'll click on resume. As you can see, there are multiple options available for resume template, and you can choose any of them. Those all are completely free. I am going to choose this one. I really liked it. It's simple and the color combination looks perfect. So this is going to be your interface. You can zoom in and work on the details. We're going to keep it very simple, and it doesn't have any fancy font, it doesn't have any designer solution. Just leave it like that, simple and sober. You can also choose colors of your choice and design it accordingly. You can adjust everything according to the size of your resume and all the information. We'll now keep it small and we'll adjust other things later because we don't know like how many things we are going to share here. So the most important section in your resume is called summary. Why it is important? As I told you, a person who looks at your resume have like 20 seconds. So here's a most important part. Your prizes, your achievements, why you're so special, and you must focus on numbers if you're writing about summary. We'll try to increase the size of it and we'll try to match it according to the size of it. And the second most important section is the work experience section. If you're a fresher and if you don't have any experience, you can try to replace this as education section, and then you can add your all education details. Basically for everything from your masters to your current job application, everybody wants to know your current experience that you already had. So you must start with the recent one. And again, if you're writing about your position, for example, if it's a salesperson job you already had, do not waste your time explaining what salesperson does, because everybody knows that. Your task here is to show you're an outstanding salesperson. You need to show how many deals you have closed, or maybe you have got promoted in 1 year, or maybe you have got the prize being the best salesperson. Highlight that. So now we'll move on to the next section, education section. Here, please remember, always start with the recent education you're having, the recent degree you're pursuing, and then move on to the next one. And try to at least only mention three recent degrees like 12th, 10th, and graduation. Or if you're having masters, you can start with 12th, graduation, and masters. As I am pursuing my masters, I'm going to start with my master's degree, then I'm going to move on to my graduation, and then 12th. Please remember to follow the same sequence. When we talk about education, your score is enough. Only if you don't have any experiences, you can highlight your success stories. Or, for example, you can highlight conferences, publications, or maybe being top 5% of the class. Well, it depends on your background. So I have completed my education section here, and I'll go back and look and change all the size and try to fix everything again in the right place. So I'm gonna fix everything, and the box which you can see down, I'm going to highlight my certificates there, and I'm going to highlight only my sports certificates. So now we are going to talk about professional skills. In professional skills, you can talk about good skills like you are having, like graphic designing, video editing, or any other things in which you are good at. Then we are going to talk about the languages, what you can speak. Like I can speak three languages, so I've mentioned those three languages there. Then at the end, you can have a contact form where you can write your email, mobile number, website if you have any, and address. But in address, try to only mention the city name. Your full address is not compulsory. Now we'll go back and check everything again, and let's see if we have anything needed to be changed. We'll change the size, we'll adjust everything according to the size of resume again. talk about having a picture of yours on a resume. I'll try to avoid it, but specifically in international countries, you cannot judge a person by his or her appearance. But even if you want to upload, you can go to uploads and upload your own picture and add it there. Here, I'm not going to add my own picture, I'll just randomly pick one picture and just upload it there. So as you can see, we have fixed the picture there, and we'll check once again if anything needs to be changed. Everything looks perfect, and you can simply click on the download button and download your resume. And there are multiple options available, like if you want it in a picture quality, or like if you want it in a PDF, you can choose whatever you want. As you can see, we have successfully downloaded the resume, and these were my thoughts about creating a good resume which got me into different universities. I hope you have liked the video. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel to never miss my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.